How to prepare rice with broccoli and herbs in just a few minutes. Approximate 4 servings. Ingredients you'll need. 1. Rice. 1 cup, 400 milliliters of long-grain Indian basmati rice. 2. Cooking oil. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, or any cooking oil of your choice. 3. Onions. 2 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced. 4. Whole spices. 1 piece of cinnamon, and 4 to 5 whole cloves. 5. Broccoli. 10 medium to small broccoli florets. 6. Herbs. 4 tablespoons of a dried herb mix, which can include parsley, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. 7. Salt. To taste. 8. Seasoning, optional. You can also use pizza or pasta seasoning, but be mindful of its salt content. 9. Lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Preparing the rice. Begin by thoroughly washing the rice. Rinse it under cold water several times until the water runs clear. This step helps remove excess starch and ensures the rice remains fluffy when cooked. Once washed, soak the rice in water for about 10 minutes. This helps the grains soften slightly and cook evenly. 2. Cooking the rice. In a saucepan or rice cooker, bring water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt, 4 to 5 whole cloves, a small piece of cinnamon, and half a tablespoon of cooking oil to the water. Add the soaked rice to the boiling water and cook until it's perfectly tender. The grains should be fully cooked but not mushy. Once cooked, drain any excess water if needed, and gently fluff the rice using a fork. Be careful not to break the grains, as basmati rice is known for its long, slender structure. Set the rice aside and allow it to cool slightly. Do not cover it with a lid to avoid trapping moisture, which can make the rice sticky. 3. Preparing the onion and broccoli mixture. Heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the thinly sliced onions to the pan and saute them until they turn golden brown. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent burning. While the onions cook, blanch the broccoli florets. To do this, bring a small pot of water to a boil. Add the broccoli and let it cook for 1-2 minutes. Immediately transfer the florets to cold water to retain their vibrant green color and crisp texture. Once the onions are golden, add the blanched broccoli to the pan. Stir gently and cook for about 2 minutes to let the flavors meld. 4. Adding herbs and lemon juice. Reduce the heat to low and sprinkle 2 tablespoons of the dried herb mixture over the onion and broccoli. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to the pan. This enhances the dish with a tangy, fresh flavor. Stir the mixture gently to ensure the herbs coat the broccoli and onions evenly. 5. Combining the rice and broccoli mixture. Gradually add the cooked rice to the frying pan with the onion and broccoli mixture. Sprinkle the remaining 2 tablespoons of dried herbs over the rice. If you're using pizza or pasta seasoning, add it at this stage, but check the salt content to avoid over-seasoning. Gently fold the ingredients together, ensuring that the rice remains intact and doesn't break. Take your time with this step to preserve the fluffy texture of the rice. Serving suggestions. Your flavorful broccoli herb rice is now ready to serve. This dish pairs beautifully with a variety of sides, such as vegetable curry, a rich, spiced curry made with mixed vegetables; chicken curry, a hearty and flavorful curry with tender chicken pieces; Gravy-based dishes. Any vegetable or meat-based gravy dish complements the rice wonderfully. Tips for success. 1. Use high-quality basmati rice for the best results. Its long grains and aromatic qualities enhance the dish. 2. Blanch the broccoli for a crisp, tender texture that retains its nutrients and color. 3. Handle the rice with care to prevent breaking the grains. Always mix gently. 4. Adjust the quantity of herbs based on your taste preferences. If you enjoy a more robust flavor, feel free to increase the amount of herbs or seasoning. Stay tuned for more recipes. Soon, you can learn how to make vegetable gravy, chicken curry, and other delicious accompaniments to enjoy with this dish.